We'll search grep Ohio states file. Okay, that's awesome. Now, what if I want to know exactly where inside the file the pattern Ohio exists? We'll rerun the same search, and this time we will add the -n option, and that tells me that Ohio exists on line 38 of the states file. So if you want to see the exact lines in a file where your pattern matches appear, you can utilize the -n option for grep. Let's talk about the -n option and show a few more cool tricks with it. Grep -n shows each line number of a file where a pattern match is found. This is super helpful when searching either many files or one long file. I personally use the mnemonic number, as in show line number, to help me remember what the lowercase -n option actually does. Now let me show you a few additional helpful tips to use with the -n option. We can use it to find the exact line of a configuration header we're looking for inside a config file. So we'll go grep -n tcp out star. Here we can see outputs.conf has tcp out at line 3, outputs.conf has tcp out :indexers at line 6. Now we can also use it with the R option to recursively search and show us exactly where the pattern match appears amongst many files. So we'll go grep -rn Ohio all files. So -r for recursive search, so search all subfolders and files, and -n for line number. Look at all these hits. Op states file, line 37, Ohio. States file, line 38, Ohio. Now, since we know the line number is here at 38, we can use VI to open the file and go straight to that line. So we'll go VI plus 38 inside the states file. And here it is. It brought us straight to line 38, and here's our pattern match, Ohio. So without the -n option, you only see the match. With the -n option, you see where the match actually lives. So use the -n option for very precise searching. That's it for this one. If there's a Linux topic you'd like broken down simply, clearly, and thoroughly, please drop it in the comments. And thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.